the other camera there? So this is the thermal and regular lens. So the other cool thing about this camera in particular is this is what Steve was saying, is we can put two day lenses, a night a day, a thermal a day, a thermal a night, a color, a black and white, whatever you need.
There is a word, it's called biophilia. Has anybody ever heard this word before? Nope? Okay. Well, biophilia it stems from the Greek roots meaning love of nature. It's the innately emotional affiliation of human beings to other living organisms. There's a reason you like to golf. Yes, okay, it's a sport, but somewhat.
And this is according to the Environmental Defense Agency, but hourly. So you think about 4,200 acres of tree around the world being harvested every hour. That's a lot of trees. Put that in perspective of what people understand. As you look at an acre, it's about the size of a football field. So visualize in your mind 4,200 football fields side by side in a big square, and think about how much space it's actually taken up being harvested on an hourly basis.
So let's talk about services enhanced with technology. I went to my physician 2 weeks ago for my annual physical, and I will tell you, my physician is my age, and I do remember when he had a clipboard and a white piece of paper notes. Does he do that now? Nope, he has an Apple iPad in his office and he's recording information, and many of those have come online. I like the fact that I got my lab results online. I could go sign in online and show the lab results and see that my cholesterol got a little bit better. That's good, and those kind of things. But also know, they give you the ranges, and you go read up what kind of test is that, what's that mean. Those kind of things are all useful, and they provide value to us in terms of managing our own health. This is where technology can bring value not just to the physician and be more efficient, because he didn't have to meet with me and go over the results, but also give me more information to manage my life better.
With all the new technology, especially the wireless technology that we have now, we can really solve that very easily using the devices that we have. So using a new technology, wireless screen mirroring, that has recently kind of become mainstream, we, using good software, can solve all of those problems using the devices that we already have. So using our smartphones, tablets, iPads, Android tablets, Microsoft tablets, instead of having to go off and buy another $20,000 podium or another $20,000 smartboard or an X-ray beam that talks to Mars or something, you can already use the phone that you already have with some good applications. So we created FocalCast to solve this problem, and I'm actually using it right now to give this presentation from a tablet.
So what's important is to be able to have all these links, pictures,
pictures and things part of your database. So what we've done is come along and taken our application, sit it on top of some existing application, which is in this case the Microsoft ERP application, and be able to attach YouTube videos, pictures, and things, along with metadata tags and a whole host of other things that lets you push it up to a website.
One of the ways Slate can help is we have representatives that are dedicated to providing your company assistance with recruiting, screening, and hiring potential employees. We've got a database of people. We also work with companies like Launch Code for our specific IT needs, but we try to help businesses find potential employees. We also have the personal touch and customer service and customized recruitment efforts specific to each industry.
Ameren, Missouri's plan's been implemented since 2013. It actually goes back to 2009. There's $147 million invested, and the amount of electricity we're going to save is about 60,000 houses worth. To kind of give you an idea how big the goal is. The Act on Energy Biz Savers program, or we call it the Biz Savers, is just cash incentives to offset the cost. So what it is, it's an incentive to go ahead and do an energy efficient project and get paid at the end. So we're not just a place to go pick up some money on the way to the store and get it paid for free, but we will reimburse you, and there's several ways to do that.